Why does your scanner show the P2116 engine code? What does it mean? P2116 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or pedal position. Sensor E minimum stop performance. The P2116 engine code, or indicate your vehicle's engine computer, PCM, has detected a critical failure in the electronic throttle control, ETC system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Dirty or obstructed throttle body. Faulty accelerator pedal position. Damaged wiring or connectors. Defective throttle body assembly. Failing battery or low system voltage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Audi, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.